Hello, my name is Alex Podelko, and I'm doing performance testing and optimization of Hyperion products for Oracle. I also involved in computer measurements group, which organizes its own conference, performance and capacity conference, which would be this year in November in Atlanta. And sometimes I started to see some statements on the internet which looks incorrect for me. So I decided to make small research in performance engineering history to see where all these notions originate. So I looked for first mature appearance of still relevant performance notions. So whatever I could find, not much information actually available, mostly winners. So we have waves of performance engineering with each computing paradigms. So we had mainframes, distributed systems, web, probably we will having something new coming based on mobile and cloud. So actually instrumentation was introduced in 1966 with SMF released as part of OS 360, and it's still there, so in kind of big data. In 1968, Robert Miller from IBM wrote his highly quoted paper, Response Time in Man-Computer Conversational Transactions, describing several threshold levels of human interaction. In 1974, monitoring was introduced by RMF, as part of MVS, and first real-time monitor in 1975 by Amegamon. In 1975, first generic performance engineering community was introduced, computer measurement group, which exists until now, and as I told, having its annual conference. In 1977, Best One was released, a capacity and performance management tool. So in late 70s, we get distributed systems which had less control and less instrumentation than mainframe. So we got more need for performance design and testing. In 1990, Dr. Connie Smith published book Performance Engineering of Software Systems, saying how you should design software system to be scalable and performant. And actually, if you have time to read it, you will surprise how modern it sounds. Nothing changed since 1990s. In 1991, Load Runner was released by Mercury Interactive, and performance expertise started to move towards performance testing teams. In 1998, End-to-End Watch was released by Candle, application response time monitor, and first version was even not web. But then we get web coming in 90s. Still, most of our previous experience was applicable, at least to backend. And in 98, a couple of good books was published about web performance, applying this existing expertise. In 2007, we get Steve Souther's book, which established new web-specific expertise, web performance optimization. And in 2008, we get Web Performance Community, first Velocity conference. So, to summarize, performance engineering has long history, and a lot was done during these years. So, not always necessarily to reinvent the wheel. And the feeling that we are very close to solving our performance problem exists last 40 plus years. So I'm afraid that it still will be with us for a while.